Alright guys, so this craft is super easy. We're just gonna start off with some vinegar. You just pour a little bit into each cup. Then we're just gonna take food coloring. I like to use only a couple drops because then if they get it on their skin or anything, it doesn't really stain too much. And I would use light colors, otherwise in the end it just turns brown. That's happened already. So we're gonna do a blue and I'm gonna make a red, well, purple I guess. And then we'll do green too. So I do, I don't know, four drops in each cup maybe. And then I ordered a bunch of these pipettes a long time ago off of Amazon, like once in science class in like 7th grade. And originally I was gonna use them for airbrush makeup and putting the makeup into my airbrush because it was easier, but I bought a different airbrush and I don't have to do that anymore. So I just have a million of these pipettes from Amazon and they work great for this. And then I just take an 8x6 Pyrex dish. And this gigantic box of baking soda, I think this is literally $1.50. It's so cheap. And I'll link below too where you can buy those pipettes. I'll find them again. I bought a bag of like 1,000 though. You don't need that many. Unless you want to do this like every day for the rest of your life. Whoa. Alright, let's go set it up on our table.
Mommy, is it raining?
It is raining outside.
Can I go out?
In the rain?
Yeah.
It's yucky. Alright, here's your dish. Where do you want your cups?
Right here.
Where?
Right here.
You want them on this side? You want one on this side or no?
This one.
Okay.
Is it black?
And we just use this crummy IKEA table that I think is $20 for the entire thing. So I don't worry about getting anything on it. I mean, if we really wanted to, we could buy a new one. Go ahead. No, I think that one's supposed to be purple. So now to clean it up, we just put all of them in the sink. I have one hand right now because my 2-month-old woke up, so I'm holding him. I just throw the pipettes out because I have so many of them, but you can reuse them if you want. And this is what this looks like now, just like a swampy mess. I just dump it all down the drain. Baking soda and vinegar is completely fine for any type of garbage disposal, septic. It's actually a way a lot of people clean them out. So you can literally just dump it down the drain. And then I just put everything in the dishwasher. Make sure all the baking soda goes down the drain. My thing's black, so it makes weird marks. And that is it. Super easy craft. Keeps your kids busy.